So I got sent over this massive care package from Bandai Namco, and inside was this cool looking Godzilla blind bag that I really want to check out. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to rip it open and see what it's all about. There are 7 to collect. You get a cool diorama for the fig. So let's open it up and see what it is. We end up getting the 1991 Godzilla. I really want to track more of these down because these are actually quite sick. So yeah, this is the blind bag Godzilla where there are 7 to collect. And I'll see you guys in the next one.